Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the basics right. Put the headset on, confirm controllers are paired, and make sure battery levels are adequate because resets mid-change waste time. Once done, press the Oculus button on your right controller to summon the universal menu. This is where Home resides. You're accessing Home because it's the central hub for layout and shortcuts. Make sure the environment tracking light is steady. This avoids control lag while you reposition items and change layout settings. Now you change the actual layout. Select Customize or Edit Home from the menu toolbar so the interface enters edit mode. You'll move items by aiming, holding the grip, and tapping trigger to pick up an app or window, then place it where it feels ergonomic, nearby for frequent apps, farther for ambient items. Use resize handles to scale panels and pin important apps to the quick bar for instant access. Also explore templates. They speed up consistent layouts across multiple sessions. Finish by saving changes. Choose Save or Confirm so your new layout persists across reboots. You should then test by opening pinned apps and moving around the Guardian boundary to verify tracking and clipping are stable. If things look off, fine-tune by adjusting environment brightness or Guardian positioning. This improves controller and pass-through accuracy. If the home layout doesn't apply, restart the headset. If problems persist, reset Home from settings. This clears custom layouts and resolves most persistent bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.